Hi and welcome to Specs Comparison, where we compare the latest and greatest gaming laptops on the market today. First, let's go to display comparison. All the laptop specs in this video are sourced directly from the respective manufacturers' websites. If you have any corrections or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the like button for more videos. Thank you, and let's dive back into our comparison. Now let's go to I/O ports. Now in the communications comparison. Now let's get into the GPU comparison. Next is the processing comparison. Now let's move into the memory and storage comparison. Next is the design and features comparison. Price comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more laptop comparisons. Drop a comment below to let us know which model you prefer. Thank you, and see you next time.